Right, here we go. We're at the rebuild stage, and unlike any other clutch on motorcycles, this isn't bolted down. There you go. Learn something new every day. Yep. See, most clutches will have that will protrude, and there'll be a bolt on there to bolt them down tight, and then, but Aprilia or their engine manufacturer worked out that theirs didn't need it.